Here we go! Another bikepacking adventure, this time in the home state of Western Australia. I was planning to join a race of dot watchers called the Granite Grovel. However, I was unable to do that due to work commitments. So, next best thing. We start in Bunbury. From Bunbury we ride across the pavement to Boynyap, and from Boynyap we hit the Munda Biddi Trail, takes us to Nanap, and that's where we join the Granite Grovel route, but in reverse. So we cut across the Blackwood forest, reach to Dunsborough, and then make it all the way to the Cape. Or that was the plan at least. So, here it is, the cat ride! Yeah! The Munda Biddi is a great trail. It's an amazing trail. And I think something that makes it even better is company. I met Kelvin in Boynyap and said hello, and then he said he was going north, I was going south, wished him a good day, and just went on my road.
Changed my mind.
You changed your mind?
Yeah.
So you sure you're not going the wrong way? Huh?
This way will do me fine.
Yeah. And with that, my adventure on the Munda Biddi comes to an end. I made it to Nanap, I resupplied, and I left my companion behind. From here on, it was uncharted territory.
Into the unknown. Ta-na-na-na-na. This is Black River Forest. I have left the campsites behind. This is in Workman Pool or Workers Pool, where I took a nice dip. Woo! That was so good. And we're still on the Timberline Trail. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. can see the ocean!
Yeah! And that's how I made it to Dunsborough for some much needed resting and resupplies. But in the meantime, along the way, there was a campsite. And it was an amazing campsite, Canebrake Pool. Now, there's something very special about Canebrake Pool. And this has to do with Dr. Seuss. And this is about the Lorax and the very special trees that appear in the Lorax story. I found them at Canebrake Pool! They were amazing! I found it so great.
Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da! Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da! Ta-da-da-da! Ta-da-da-da-da! Woohoo! Made it. Leeuwin Lighthouse. And 2 minutes before it closes.
Yes, and this amazing sunset is where I slept for the night. Yeah, that was my first ever beach camping. And apart from the rain that happened during the night with me just in the sleeping bag, everything was amazing. Yeah, I got to practice my midnight tent pitching skills on the sand. The section of riding along the coast from the Lighthouse to Dunsborough is amazing. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it before. I just found out I have 90 kilometers to Bunbury, which is more than I was expecting. But I have my feathers from a 28. Doop, 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 doop. Corella gives you wings! Whoop, whoop. Corella gives you wings! Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. 28 gives you wings! Let's hope so. Alright, feathers acquired. It is time to hit the road. Now, I said I was surprised that I have 90 kilometers left to go to Bunbury. Yes, the surprise came from arriving in Dunsborough 1 day earlier than planned. I planned to take a bus out of Dunsborough that would take me back to Bunbury. However, that bus would have been 24 hours since I arrived. So, next best thing, just ride the 90 kilometers to Bunbury. And luckily for me, the section between Dunsborough and Bustleton, it's amazing. It's so great. It's a purpose-built bicycle and hiking track, which is paved, which goes along the coast. From Bustleton to Bunbury, I've set the objective of not going on the highway, and I managed to achieve it. The road is paved almost in its entirety, takes you along the coast through farm country. So, sit back and enjoy.
I had chocolate. Chocolate was good.
If not for the fence, Skippy would have won the race.
Aww.
Skippy's okay, do not worry, Skippy was not hurt. And this further leads us to the Tuart forest. And the Tuart forest was that necessary deviation for me to keep off the highway. The going was tough, it was lots of sand, but it was great. It was an amazing scenery. But anyway, enough horsing around, let's get on with it. Vino încoace. Băi, lasă camera, vino încoace. Hei. Ce mă, frumoasule, mă. Vino mă încoace.
Ah, uite o gaună. Vino încoa, bă. Hai, vino aici. Nu vrei? Tu? Da.